Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge. This is our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Lionel trains, MTH electric trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. First, an announcement that I overlooked last week. Lionel trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition Legacy A6 Atlantic steam locomotive decorated for the Missouri, Kansas, and Texas Railroad for the train loft. The models are expected to arrive in late 2025 and have an early order price of $999.95. MTH electric trains will be releasing the 2025 Rail King O-Gauge Bump and Go trolleys in 4 different versions this fall. In addition, 3 holiday schemes are also coming this fall, each with body-clad LEDs. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in September 2025. The regular varieties include Rail King City Lines, Rail King Market Street, Rail King Center City, and Rail King Traction Company. And the holiday versions with additional lights include Transylvania Traction, Christmas, and North Pole lines. The standard versions have a list price of $99.95, while the holiday versions with additional LED lights are listed at $109.95 each. See your local MTH retailer for additional information. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale SW8 diesel locomotive in Lehigh Valley colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The Protosounds 3.0 equipped locomotive will be offered in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $368.96. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale SD60E diesel locomotive in Monon colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The Protosounds 3.0 equipped locomotives will be offered in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2025. The early order price is $569.95 each. MTH Electric Trains will be producing a limited number of their reproduction Leland Detroit monorail sets in Christmas colors with extra LED lights this holiday season. The 3 car sets are priced at $899.95 for either conventional power or Protosounds 3.0 equipped sets. The sets are expected to arrive in October 2025. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Fairbanks Morse Erie-built locomotive set in New York Central colors for exclusive distribution by JR Junction Train and Hobby. The locomotives will be sold as an AB set and also individually as an A unit. Each locomotive sports a unique cab number and will be available beginning in June 2025. The early order price for the AB set is $949.99, and the single A unit is priced at $503.99. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive Forest Friends Christmas Water Tower as part of the limited edition Christmas offerings from Legacy Station. The model is expected to arrive in September 2025 and carries an early order price of $84.99. Coming soon from Firecrown Media is Arduino Projects by Paul and David Brandt. Animation of various types greatly enhances the realism of any layout. In Arduino Projects, authors Paul and David Brandt show how inexpensive Arduino and Raspberry Pi microcontrollers can be used to control sound, lighting effects, and, with detectors, control crossing flashers and basic or complex signal systems. Combining these devices with Java Model Railroad Interface, a free open-source software, further expands the capabilities of Arduinos. The basics of programming and using Arduino and Raspberry Pi microcontrollers, how to control crossing flashers, flickering torches, and other lighting effects, methods of connecting Arduinos to software to detect trains and monitor train movements, ways to implement a centralized traffic control signal system, including a simulated dispatcher's panel. The 96-page book is expected to arrive in May 2025. See the video description for pricing and availability. And coming soon from Arcadia Publishing is the Chicago, Aurora, and Elgin Railway by David Sadowski. The Chicago, Aurora, and Elgin ran electric passenger and freight service from 1902 to 1959. Although classed as an interurban, it was a hybrid of rapid transit and commuter rail. CA&E trains ran to downtown Chicago via the Metropolitan West Side L, ending at the Wells Street Terminal. This was a high-tech endeavor funded by industrialists from Cleveland, Ohio, who wanted to open Chicago's western suburbs for development. The result was a high-speed operation built to steam road standards, with an electrified third rail powering the trains. It thrived until World War I, was modernized in the Roaring '20s, weathered the Great Depression, and did its duty during World War II. A privately owned railroad, without subsidies, the CA&E began losing money in the 1950s due to highway construction that stopped it from running into Chicago. Efforts to save the railroad failed, and passenger service ended in 1957, with freight service following 2 years later. David Sadowski is the author of Chicago's Trolleys, Building Chicago's Subways, Chicago's Lost L's, and the North Shore Line, and runs the online Trolley Dodger blog. Photographs shown are from the author's own extensive collections and from archival sources such as the Chicago History Museum, Forest Park Historical Society, and Lake States Railway Historical Association. This 128-page volume is expected to arrive in July 2025. See the video description for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our virtual storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and remember to check out our long-format videos on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.